Hello, everyone. Hope you are all having a great day. Just to introduce myself, my name is Patrick Dunn. I'm 22 years old and currently working towards my degree in health sciences. Before I started at Indiana University College, I did attend Tallahassee Community College for a little bit more than a year, where I enjoyed going to FSU football games and interacting with a lot of new people. After just taking one semester in the Panhandle, I then moved back to Sebastian to continue at IRC. I have taken multiple classes at IRC in the past. I also received my emergency medical technician certification from Indiana University College. But in the next coming years, I do plan to move to Jacksonville to continue my education. My end goal is to go to school to become a biomedical equipment technician, where I'll be working in hospitals, maintaining, repairing various medical equipment. When I saw that this course was part of a requirement, I was excited and a little nervous, but excited for the possibility to learn new things. I do believe being able to hear opinions and expanding my mindset and hearing different people's individual views is pretty exciting. Um, Other than that, I do enjoy art. I'm not sure how huge of a role that will play in the course. I have been to multiple art museums and love to learn about the paintings and the drawings and their past history. Just to tell you a little bit more about myself, I am a sports fan. Being from New York, I grew up watching the New York Yankees and the New York Rangers. But other than sports, I do love to go offshore fishing and spend time outside. Haven't ever really taken a humanities course during my time in college, and I don't know too much information on it, but I am excited to possibly voice opinions and hear other people's opinions through the information we gain. I do feel humanities is actually pretty important and relevant in everyday society. Like religion is a huge part of people's lives, including mine, where I am part of the Roman Catholic Church. So that's it about myself. But I do look forward to debating and meeting all of you in the near future. Thank you and have a wonderful day.